So this board and the two boards underneath it are from a sallywater log that I milled up using my electric chainsaw. They're pretty twisted, as you'll see. So a good 20mm twist in that board, but even so they're still good usable timber. Here I'm just cutting those boards up into 40cm lengths. These 40cm boards are too short for my thicknesser, so I'm using some double-sided tape and a piece of form ply to act as a sled to put them through. Just using some thin wedges here to level out the top of the board and remove as much twist as I can. This reduces the amount of material you have to remove with the thicknesser. So as you just saw with that board, it had a hole in it, so did a couple of the others, so they just needed filling with some epoxy resin. I'm adding a little bit of black pigment to the epoxy just because I think it looks better. One of the tricks with working with resin is to make sure you mix it really well. So in the bottom left of the screen you can see some tear out from the thicknesser, so I'm just using the belt sander with 40 grit to cut that down. The belt sander with 40 grit is pretty aggressive, so it doesn't take too long. Once I've removed all the tear out, then I swap the sanding belt over to 120 grit and smooth it out. The idea of cutting the 65-degree angles in the end of the board is just to act as handles, makes the boards easy to pick up.